Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn on the metronome on a Roland digital piano. I'll be showing you how to do this with some easy steps, so let's get right into the video. Now this will be a relatively short video because it's super easy to do. And this is the Roland FP10, to be specific. It's the Roland FP10, which is, I believe, the entry level to this sort of digital piano weighted keys section of their lineup. But if you have a different Roland digital piano, it's probably going to be very, very similar. Like I believe on the FP30, which is like one step higher, I believe it's pretty much the exact same process and so forth. So yeah, and in the future on their newer pianos, it's probably going to be the same thing as well. Really, really easy to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for this piano function button right here. So this button right here says piano function. And then that button correlates with all of these little words that you see above the keys. You're going to look for one that shows a metronome on or off, okay? So I'll tell you how to do it and then I'll demonstrate in a moment. So to turn it on, you're going to press the piano function and hold it down. So press and hold down this button, and then you're going to tap this key right here, which is where the metronome on and off button is. So you're going to tap that once. The metronome is going to start. And then you can press and hold this down, the piano function button once again, and you can press any of these other keys to increase the tempo, decrease the tempo, change the beat, or change the volume of the metronome, okay? Really easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let me just place my camera down. I'm filming this actually in my laundry room. I was doing my other videos in the basement bathroom, but my neighbor started to use like a piece of like a power tool that was really loud. I think he's cleaning his car with his fiance, so I just decided to move to the laundry room. So I apologize if you see anything, any clothing drying or something like that, but it is what it is. Let me just flip the screen out so you can see, so I can see what you all see. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to press and hold down that piano function button over here, and press and hold it down, and I'm going to press the metronome button, and here is the metronome. Here is the metronome. You want to make it faster? Press and hold down that piano function button, and I'm going to increase the tempo. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here, look at that. We're just making beats. That's how we do it, baby. We make beats all the time. Okay? You can change the beat. You can change the tempo. You can change the volume. But I'm just going to turn it off for now. So to turn it off, I press and held down the piano function button, and I press that metronome button once again. And it's literally that simple. That is how to turn on the metronome, how to adjust it, and how to turn it off as well. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.